everyone. Hoping that you all are doing fine. So yes, guys, today we are continuing our CMA campus placement series. Okay, earlier I have taken two sessions on campus placement series. One is you can say that what is the process of campus placement, and second one is minimum and maximum packages provided by organization in campus placement. Okay, apart from this, I have also taken several sessions with the recently qualified CMA. Some of them shortlisted in you can say that get got placed in through campus placement, and some of them off campus. So hoping that you also watch the session and take the benefit from those particular session. Okay, in future also I will come such kind of sessions, so hoping that you watch this session. Now in this particular campus placement session, I will cover two important aspects. One is how many you can say that number of round in campus placement, okay, in interview, during interview, and what kind of question asked by you can say that organization in campus placement interview. So two important aspect I will cover. Apart from this, yeah, after watching this video you have any doubt, you can ask me and surely I will try to help you. So how many, yeah, number of you can say that round in a campus placement interview. So guys, it will totally depend on organization to organization. Okay, some organization take, you can say that, written test, but some organization do not take written test. So you can say that those take written test, number of attempt increase. So guys, for example, we are taking the example of Nestle. Okay, Nestle take interview up now, you written test. Now you can also ask a question from me that ki, what kind of question asked in written test paper. So guys, once again I will say it will totally depend from organization to organization. Okay, for example, one organization is hiring for costing profile, so they will ask the question, written test paper in question, they will ask more question on, you can say that, costing or FM. And those hiring for financial background, they will ask more on, you can say that, account background or GST. Hoping that you are understanding, like AS or INDAS. Hoping that you are getting my point. Okay, so now come to the Nestle mostly hire for costing profile. Okay, so their question are based on, you can say that, around 80% question from, you can say that, costing, and remaining 20 or 10% from FM. Hoping that you are getting my point. Okay, apart from this, suppose 100 candidate give interview in, you can say that, given Nestle. Okay, out of which they will shortlist 65 for the next round, and remaining 35 are candidate not going for the next level. Hoping that you are getting my point. After that, they will create a 8 people or 10 people as per their convenience or as per availability of space during campus placement. Okay, so like around 8 or 10 people, they will create a group for campus placement, for, you can say, the group discussion. They will give a topic. Every candidate need to speak on those particular topic. Okay, and the hiring team and HR team analyzing each and every candidate who is appearing in group discussion. Okay, so what will be suggestion from my side for GD? So guys, do not never interrupt any candidate during his speech. Okay, you need to wait your turn, or you can also do one thing, that you can raise your hand, means you want to say something on this particular topic. Never interrupt. Okay, and I can say that ki, it is my suggestion to you that ki, who are going to appear in future. Okay, so never raise your voice in shout manner. Okay, you can clearly or politely deliver or convey your message on particular topic. So hoping that you understand. And after the GD completion, every you can say that every GD session complete, they will shortlist 5 candidate out of 8 for further round. Okay, and the next round, you can say that some organization take place 2 personal interview round. You can say that one technical and one is personal interview. Okay, and some other organization only take 1 session for personal interview. Okay, in there you can say that member in personal interview, one is from technical team, one is from HR team, and 1 or 2 is from, you can say that, finance team or costing profile team. Okay, so maybe 3 or 4 panel of interview member. Hoping that you are getting my point. Okay, so how many round of interview? Hope that you get my point. Some organization take place like written test, then GD, then some organization conclude in a one phase directly personal interview, but some take personal interview in 2 phase. One is technical and one is personal interview. Hoping that you are getting my point. Okay, apart from this, those candidate clarified, yeah, cleared, you can say that, all the round, on the day, on the same day, they will provide offer letter, or they will convey that yes, you got shortlisted, and we will provide the offer letter as soon as possible through mail. So hoping that you are getting the point. Okay, and those candidate can leave the day after meeting their friends. Hoping that you are getting my point. Now come to what kind of question asked in interview. So once again I will say that it will totally depend on what profile they are looking candidate. If they are looking for costing profile, so mainly they ask from costing or financial background, okay. And those candidate those organization hiring for finance background, so mostly they will ask from accounting background like AS, Ind AS, IFRS, US GAAP. And apart from this they will ask from the GST, like okay, okay, they seek every candidate has some knowledge of GST. So that, and the first basic question they will ask, tell me about yourself, yani self introduction. So in this question you can say that brief about your qualification, your practical experiences, and small brief about your family background, okay. And if you have participated in extracurricular activity you can also tell, but do not tell more than that, like your interest, your hobbies, okay. You are male or female, no need to say like this, okay. Simply your education, your practical experience, small about extracurriculum if you have participated, or small brief about your family, okay. And the another important, you can say that basic question, tell me about the organization. Suppose you are going for Nestle, so you have a you need to go through in Google about Nestle. Is there any merger or acquisition or demerger currently or recently happened with Nestle, okay. If you have watched the session with Suraj Nathani, I have taken the I have taken the session with CMA Suraj Nathani. He got placed in Larsen and Toubro. So in this session, in the session, he told me that ki Larsen and Toubro has asked about the recent happening with Larsen and Toubro. So Suraj Nathani go through with the in Google. So okay. So he clearly told the answer. So hoping that you are getting my point. Suppose you are shortlisted in 4 organization, okay. So before the campus placement you have a go through all the 4 organization. In recent, is there is a merger or acquisition or demerger happened in the organization, hoping that you are getting my point, okay. Apart from this, the remaining question will not be a technical one, okay. They will simply ask about, if they are hiring for finance background, they will ask about the the principles and conservative concept, like concepts, conventions, and Ind AS, small about GST, like returns of GST, okay. Hoping that you are getting my point. So these kind of question normally they asked in interview, okay. Those candidate cleared all the round. Those candidate cleared all the round. On the same day they will provide either offer letter, or they will convey that they will provide on mail on some days later. So hoping that you are getting my point. And last one suggestion from my side, suppose any candidate shortlisted only in one organization, and suppose in written test he not shortlisted for further round, it is my humble request, never leave the you can say that campus placement place, okay. You need to wait here. At any time any organization open the campus, you can say that walk in, okay. So it is my humble request, for 2 days you can wait for your friend, you can walk in here and there, but never leave the place, okay. Like in my campus placement time, you can assume that ki, Accenture provide the walk-in, okay. So some of those organization student, yeah, candidate not shortlisted even though got placed in Accenture. So hoping that you are getting my suggestion. Apart from this, you have any doubt, you can ask me, and surely I will try to help you, okay. And in upcoming future I will come up the remaining you can say that remaining portion of campus placement, okay. And yes, what kind of question asked, I will try to prepare in a, you can say that in a word format. So hoping that, and apart from this I will come up such kind of session with the recently qualified CMA who got placed in campus placement, and those who unfortunately didn't get in the campus placement, and how they get the opportunity in off campus, so that you can also take the benefit of two category of candidate, okay. These are the important. Apart from this, you can also give me suggestion on which topic I need to prepare videos, so these videos will be beneficial and helpful for you. For today, that's all about in this video. We will meet with the another session. Bye guys.